Welcome. Our first journey are these pair of brass candle holders I found at a flea market for $20. I noticed a small bending around the top of one of the candle holders. Watch as I gently repair it.
So man, you knew nothing about the concrete wall. When you're looking around through this place, you realize that not too many people have walked in there other than him and his relatives. Really, as a picker, you feel blessed. That cherry thing's cool.
I normally don't polish brass. I use wipes to clean the dust off and dry. Sometimes I may lightly polish if the tarnish is uneven or has spots. As on these, I notice the tarnish is a little heavier on one than the other. I used a brass polish that is great for vintage and antique pieces. It takes one layer at a time, so not to completely take down to the bright brass. Link in description. I quickly found out on these it was not going to be easy to even it out, so I left it uneven. I was taught a long time ago it's better to leave as is. On rare pieces, removing the tarnish or patina can reduce the price greatly. My customers like the vintage look. You can always remove the tarnish but can never put it back on. Also, I have ruined more pieces trying to clean or polish, so I rather leave as is. I know there are those who would rather shine them up, and that is okay. I will show you the best items I have found to help make the job easier. This is my favorite. It works on most metals. I use this first before using the harsher cleaners. These wipes I love. They're large and no need to be close to a sink. Makes cleaning the dust and cobwebs effortless. The barkeeper's friends I have used for many years, and they are the best for cleaning heavy spots and tarnish. I use the Brasso for the finish cleaner polisher. I will also place links in the description. Watch part 2 of the brass candle holders to see how I came up with the $289 listing price, how I researched and obtaining the keywords and other details for listing on eBay, Etsy, and Cherish. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.